Hey guys, Gaming Maniac 9788, and I just downloaded the new Forces of Nature map pack. It is out today of Tuesday. So what you get, I'm going into multiplayer now. I'll be in COG. You get Commando Dom, limited LE, and then you get Mechanic Baird. That's all I can see right now. I have all the map packs, but that's the only two people I can see right now. Then in the Locust, you get this new cool guy, Savage Hunter. Looks pretty boss. And then you get Savage Grenadier LE. I have regular one too, but this one looks pretty cool. He's got some red armor now on him. I'm gonna choose this guy out. And I'm gonna choose Kendrick Bear. Forces of Nature. Guardian! Wow. They brought back Guardian. Stranded. We're all stranded now, brothers, and yeah, all that stuff. Alright guys, so also there's the new camo. Actually I think there's a couple new. Major League, Hype, Ultraviolet. Let's try out Hype. Let's try out Hype on my let's try out Hype on my Hammer Burst. Let's do Ultraviolet. They look pretty cool. Let's go do a private match. Alright guys, so let's see these new maps. Aftermath, Artillery, Cove, Jacinto, Raven Down. It's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna play on Jacinto just for all the time's sake, because that map is boss in Gears too. See how it looks in this game. As you can see, the camos look really cool. The Ultraviolet looks like kind of like what was I gonna say? Deadly cute. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm on Jacinto. It looks a little bit different. The spawn. And it's raining out now. But overall it looks pretty much the same. We got the same. Okay, so there's two frags up here. Let's go down here. And they, by the way, the camo looks really nice. You can see it on my screen. So does the Deadly Cute. I mean the Ultraviolet. It's like kind of like a purple. Oh, so we got Digger up at the top in the middle now. Not, it'll probably Digger and Torque Bow. Let's see. Regular stuff. Let's see, we've got boom shots down here. No, I guess Hammer of Dawn spawns first, guys. Yeah, so that's just one map. I'm gonna bring it back. Hey guys, so now I'm playing on playing on Aftermath. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Take a look around. It's a big map, really big map. Yeah, so this is Aftermath.